Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 605 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then find and select home screen and lock screen, mark wallpaper and style, and click on change wallpaper. You can either choose something from your photos, one from static wallpapers, from recently used. Let me pick for example this one. Here you can take a look how this how this picture looks on both home and lock screen. If you want, you can blur your home screen and let me apply it this way. Then just decide if this photo should cover both home and lock screen, just your lock screen, or only your home screen. It's obviously up to you. And as you can see from now on, it is applied however you set it. In my case here we've got vivid colors and here we've got the blur option. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.